In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can get the Time Tyrant title fast here in Sailor Piece on Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. If at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, this title is required if you want to unlock the World Fighting Style and boost your damage here in C2. So it's not just like a cosmetic, but essentially to get it, you need to farm the world boss here on Bizarre Island. Now, you can actually spawn this for free. You'll need Dominion brands and one brand for normal difficulty or 4 for extreme. The higher difficulty is going to give you a better drop rate, so always go for extreme if you can handle it. But the drop chance is very low, about 0.6%, and it only goes up to about 1.2% on extreme, so expect to grind a lot. But there is a pity system. After defeating the boss 175 times, the title is guaranteed. So once you do get it, it'll give you about a 92.5% damage boost, making it one of the strongest titles in the entire game. But to farm faster, use your best build with strong relics, bloodlines, and gear so that you can kill the boss quickly. Also use a private server so no one interrupts your runs. But that is it. Farm Dominion brands, spawn in the boss on higher difficulty, stack your kills, and either get lucky or hit pity for the Time Tyrant title. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.